Hey guys, I get this pre-hackathon assignment of social media performance analysis, and what I understood from this assignment is that we have to create a basic analytics module utilizing Langflow and Datastax AstraDB to analyze the social media engagement metrics. So, and also from mock social media accounts. We have the task details like fetch engagement data, analyze post performance, and provide insights. According to the fetch engagement data part, create a small dataset simulating social media engagement, example like shares, comments, and post types, and store this data in Datastax AstraDB. So for the first part, we had created a CSV file of the mock social media accounts with likes, shares, comments according to the fields mentioned here. But we had also mentioned one more column, views, for better engagement metrics. Now coming to the second part, we have to analyze the post performance, and we're using it with Langflow to construct a simple flow of to construct a simple flow for analyzing post performance. So coming to the Langflow, this is my flow. According to it, we have to accept post types like carousel, reels, static images as input. We are doing that here from the chat input. Example, we put carousel, then it will query the dataset for getting the average engagement matrix and compare it with carousel. This is our name for text. This is cons this is called the session ID. This is the post type that I will enter. The post type will go to the prompt component post type, and this post type is also coming down here to the AstraDB component in the search input. This component is used for the querying the database where our data is going to save, and the data is coming from here astra.csv. This astra.csv is the same file here mentioned here where we have all the social media accounts data. This data will go to the split text component, which will split all the data into chunks. We are taking here 200, means it will split the data in 200 text chunk, and all this data will go to AstraDB component. And for the embedding of this data, we are using Google Generative AI embedding for vectorized search from the data, and this data will and the search results will go to this parsed data component for converting it to plain text, and this plain text will go to this prompt component. In this prompt component is going to calculate the average engagement metrics for each post type and compare it with the post type that the user has entered, and based on the calculation it will provide us the insights and strengthens the areas where the user have to improve, and will suggest some actionable insights to improve the engagement. We have also told this model to don't give us big paragraphs and quotes in the output. The output should be short, sweet, and eye-catching with cool emojis. And we have used the example outputs from the PDF, like carousel post from have 20% higher engagement at static post. Reels drive 2x more comments compared to other formats. We had taken this from the pre-hackathon assignment PDF. And the message history is this. So, and the message history is going to save in this message history component. It will store the sender type, machine, and user, the number of messages. It will store 10 messages per user, and the session ID. The session ID is coming from the user component, means it will store 10 messages per user. So after calculating all the insights, means this prompt will go to this Google Generative AI model, which will take this prompt and calculate the average engagement metrics according to the post type and give the search results, means give the results to the chat output. We will test this flow. Now we'll try static images. Static images. Close this and open it again. It is gone. It has told us the output. Static images have significantly lower views and shares compared to Reels, but receive similar likes and higher comments. Try incorporating more interactive elements like polls or Q&As with static image posts to boost share and views. So it has given us the insights, and it is also giving us the improvement part. It is saying that we should use interactive elements like polls and Q&As within static image posts to boost shares and views. It is working as expected. We will close this. Let's talk about this AstraDB part. So the collection, engagement, and database social data is coming from here. In the social data database, we have created the engagement collection, and we can see how many times we had ingested the extra.csv file here. This is the content, this is the metadata file part. It is inserting every time we run this flow. We'll also try carousel once. Carousel posts a significantly higher likes and comments and static images. Fewer views than Reels. Try incorporating more storytelling and interactive elements within carousels to further boost engagement. And consider cross-promoting them as Reels to increase reach. It has given us the suggestion, it has given us the insights based on the data and the user input. It is working as expected like the PDF. Our provide insights part is also done. We had used Gemini instead of GPT. We had fetched engagement data. We had analyzed post performance. We had provided insights. So our part is done. Our flow is done, and the video is also done.